So this is your code to just display the red on the Neopixel and have it cycle through on your ring of light. And now I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of blue. So we're going to create a variable called blue. And the first thing I'm going to do is I just want to establish what blue is. So I'm going to do this set blue, and I'm going to bring it in my start. And I'm going to have it start at just a value of 0. And what I'm going to do is I want to actually display this variable blue in this RGB here. So I'm going to bring in my variable blue. So now my Neopixel is going to make my red 255, my green 0, and my blue be whatever value the blue LED is. Right now it is set to 0, so I need to have a way to change that value of that blue LED. So I'm going to bring in a button. And when I press the button, I want to change the value of blue from 0 to something. So let's go to change that variable. And let's go ahead and change it by 25. So every time I press my button A, my blue value is going to change by 25. So the first time I press button A, red will be 255, green 0, blue is 25. Press A again, blue changes now to 50. Press A again, blue changes to 75. And I can change my value of blue. But remember, the maximum value you can have in RGB here is 255. So we want to set a limit and have it reset if I reach that 255 value. So I'm going to do an if statement, a logic statement. And bring it in here to my button A pressed. I need to figure out what my inequality is going to be. Go back to your logic. And I want to check to see, is my blue LED value bigger than 255? So let's bring in that blue variable. Greater than 255. If my blue LED is greater than 255, I want to reset it back to 0. When I press button A, it's going to change the value of that blue LED variable by 25. It's going to check to see if it's greater than 255. If it's not greater than 255, it's just going to do whatever. If it is greater than 255, it's going to reset that blue value back down to 0. So here's my microbit. I'm going to press button A. And you can see that that value is changing. I don't have that deep red anymore.